Welcome back to BioDie. It's a quick SPCE update, more than 7% in one day. We haven't seen such positive days for SPCE stock for a long time. And you can tell me that the stock market in general feeling good today since most stocks are surging, but Virgin Galactic is showing something extraordinary without any reasons right now. Well, actually there is one reason. As I said in my previous videos, Q2 earnings are coming in few days and investors will be watching this event closely. We're not going to hear any positive numbers in earnings report, but we about to hear more about company's plans towards future commercial flights and its deadlines, supersonic flights, and possible acceleration of plans that will affect the SPCE stock price positively. The current growth is on expectations and now Branson has to fulfill these expectations on 5th of August, otherwise we are going to $25 per share. Let's monitor this situation together. Write your SPCE predictions in comments and don't forget to subscribe because it's much better to make money together. See you tomorrow. Bye.